Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good news, good news. Tecno Spark 20 KJ5n MDM remove but uh, Tecno Spark 20 KJ5n MDM remove but Play Store not working. 100% tested firmware. At first my this client order the customer is asked my set MDM remove but Play Store not working. Okay, no problem. This file 100% working. At first my client this mobile use and remotely service 100% tested. Okay, no confuse. I am promise this file 100% tested. Okay, next Tecno Spark Go 2024 BG6 MDM removed already TFM tool dead. This file 100% working. This client my order outside the client order. Now see our country the WhatsApp now this working. Now see. Okay. Tecno Spark Go 2024 BG6 MDM removed. TFM tools already said dead. Removed. No response. Customer is very confused. Many file use but mobile not open. It's a dead mode. I am working this file 100% tested. Already mobile running and MDM remove permanently remove. This file 100% tested working. Hello GSM friend, all GSM friend, my file 100% tested. I am using the customer, the client order. I am remotely service working. This mobile open but MDM permanently remove. Call outgoing incoming no problem. At first is promised. I do faithfully. This file download. No problem, no confuse. 100% test say your Tecno any mobile hang logo date mode repair any solution any problem. Emu WhatsApp number 24-hour service free. 24-hour service. Okay, clear. At first my YouTube channel is subscribe, like and comment and Facebook share. Video description do no link, just link. Now you see you're confused, very confused. Your YouTube channel description no link, but comment box no link. At first your WhatsApp emo chat now is confused. Now is browser open. Google now this Barsha mobile. Okay, Barsha mobile. Okay, and now see blogger site open, and this site open. Now see this search blogger, any file you need, any many file my post to your blogger site, 1 million customer, no problem, 1 million post this site, any file you need, just right now, write BG6, okay, Okay. Now see the search now. The MDM remove tested. No. Your said Tecno Spark Go BGA MDM remove date. 100% tested. Okay. No problem. This file download link not working. Just remove WhatsApp start now. 24-hour service, my friend. This file 100% tested, 100% working. Remove WhatsApp start now. I am promise my file 100% working. Okay, good night.